You and I.
Hey guys, it's Allison and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be copying Nikkie Tutorials tutorial. What I decided to do for this video for today is I wanted to make it a little bit more interesting. So what I did instead of just picking one of my favorite makeup videos by Nikkie, I decided to scroll down her video feed and just pick on one randomly. And this is the video that I got. It is her 24 karat magic gold liner holiday makeup tutorial. I don't even know where I left off because my memory card got full. Now with me being me, I like a lot of drugstore brands, but then again I also like some higher end brands. Nikkie for this whole tutorial obviously used all high end makeup. Nothing I used on my face was what she used. Nothing. Maybe one thing. No. Nothing. And that's okay. And that is the reason why I named this video on what the name of this video is, because I can't figure out a good combo yet, so I'll figure it out. Obviously I did because it's in the title now. So if you would like to follow along with my tutorial with drugstore makeup, following Nikkie's tutorial with higher end makeup, just keep on watching. Oh man, I look really pale. I just self-tanned the other day, so I'm pretty much just going to pick a random video from Nikkie Tutorials that I want to recreate. Ready, go. 24 karat magic gold liner holiday makeup.
Hello, people! Hey guys, today
Okay. I don't really care what it looks like. We love a pale sister.
This very luxurious, sexy makeup look. Originally, I wanted to eyeliner.
This is gonna be hard.
As when you want to cut a hater out there in half day 5 of Winter Wonder Week, I am.
I love those intros. I want one so bad, but I'm not popular enough, so darn.
Because if you don't prime, how are you gonna keep it on? So Urban Decay.
You're not wrong. I have to stop this here. I know for a fact I do not have every single product, or maybe not even one product that Nikkie might have in her tutorial. Obviously, I'm gonna copy it as much as possible, but it's not going to be exactly the same products. You feel me? You feel me? I'm cheap with makeup most of the time. I got money for that.
Fused complexion prep priming spray. So
okay, wait, where's mine? Ah!
and then
I have this one from Revlon, the Photo Ready Prime Prep Black stupid stuff. Girl, I'm not ready, okay? I'm still trying to figure out why your primer. Whoa. Anyways, I'm just going in with my professional mini primer because that's my life. Oh my god, there it was again. That I also have my oil, my 24 karat magic body oil. Oh my god, I just, because it's called 20. It's my favorite.
I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible.
Don't have that. So I'm gonna use my Born This Way. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use my Born This Way foundation, and then I'm just gonna go in with my Beauty Blender by Real Techniques. I'm breaking out so much, or my skin's just been very weird lately. Couldn't tell you why, but oh, I think that's a Shape Tape concealer. Obvi, I don't have that because I'm poor.
Welcome to my life.
So I'm going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. She packs it on there. More than enough. And then she's just taking her Beauty Blender as well and going just right underneath the eyes.
Now, if you like me, get a lot of creases in your concealer on
Yes.
your under eyes. Now is the time to bake and set it for the rest of the day.
Okay, girl.
And setting the rest of my face using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder.
Gotta keep going. Oh my god. Okay, wait. God, I'm not ready. Not ready for this. So did she, wait, what did she bake with? I'm so confused. Like, why did you not tell me? Okay, I think I'm good. Why would I put it there? It's a little mini one because we on a budget. Whatever. Does she like, she swipe it? That worked, kind of. Oh my god! Damn it! Okay, now she's setting the rest of her face with everything, and I'm going in with the Fit Me powder and matte poreless, normal to oily skin. I have no idea where this brush is from. Probably Claire's.
Honestly, at this point, I don't want to talk about it anymore.
Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Oh, and she already did her brows. Damn it. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna go do my brows off camera. She kind of wiped this off, but she probably... I'm stressed because I don't know what the f I'm doing. All right, guys, I'm back. How's the brows? I want new eyebrows. I want to return these.
See, at this point, I don't want to talk about it anymore.
But I don't know what it is. Concealer? I'm just going to put primer on my eyes. Probably that paint pot stuff. I don't know. Pull that out of my... I'm gonna use this mini, because I got a free sample of it at Ulta, of the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion.
And I'm taking this color right here as a transition in my inner and outer corners.
Okay, well, see what we got in my little goodies.
Using soft circular motions, I'm applying this color to the inner and outer corner to start off this halo eye.
Okay, yeah. Actually going in with my Bad Habit Midsummer Night the 30 color eyeshadow collection. I'm gonna go in with Wings right here because it looked the most similar.
Now going in with this...
Okay, well, I'm not ready.
deeper, warmer brown to build definition on the inner and outer corners even more. And the most important thing about this halo smoky eye is that we keep the center of the lid completely bare, so do not connect the inner and outer corners in the center.
Okay, and I'm using my Makeup Academy Professional 315 crease brush. Don't connect, don't connect, don't connect, don't connect. Shoot, did I put too much?
And now going into this deep brown to intensify it even more.
Yeah, this kind of looks like it, so we're gonna go down. And I'm gonna use this foolish color right here. Can I blend this? Because it needs some help.
On the center of the lid, I'm applying Cosette's Zen eyeshadow.
Okay, so pretty much like white powdery eyeshadow. Oh wait, I have one in this one. Flat shader brush, I got you. I got you. So I'm gonna take it really heavily on here. Add a little bit of this one too, because it's pretty. And then I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray so it gets a little bit like hers. Like hers looks, I don't know, it looks like wet. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm actually gonna go play HQ for a little bit. I'm not even joking because it's like a really big prize. So I'll be back. You thought I was joking.
That soup, specifically the nests of the swiftlets. It's made from their solidified saliva. Yes.
Told ya, bye.
Gold liner. I'm taking this Pat McGrath 005 pigment in gold. Make it a liquid liner. I'm mixing it with the mixing liquid. So then grab a little bit from your mixture and make your line.
Oh, shh. You're getting spicy on me. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? Just kind of. Oh, mother of pearl. I think I'm gonna spray it first. Okay. I am a beauty guru. Let's see. Let's see if Amateur Alley. Wow. That flows way too well. Let's zoom in for you. Bam. Hey. Oh my god. I'm so good. I'm a beauty guru. We love a rich tag.
I'm just applying that darkest brown from left to right all the way through.
Shoot. What color did I used this one. We're okay. Oh my god, girl! You're doing it heavy! I think I'm gonna go in with the Ardell Fox Mink. Fox. Oh, I've just been wanting to try them. And they're cheap. We love a cheap girl.
Oh, I'll use my Makeup Geek contouring powder tomorrow. So I used a total of 3 contouring powders this week. And this technique, I'm literally still
That's
so
funny, because all I have and ever will have is my Hula by Benefit. I've had it since last Christmas. It's fine. I guess she did it on her chin and her forehead. I'm just gonna go for it. I love a sparkle sister. I need to stop saying.
So I'm gonna perk this up using some pink up in here.
Shit,
so I'm gonna go in with the MAC blush in What I Fancy. And I'm gonna place my blush a little higher up onto my cheekbones. I was watching a Korean
makeup tutorial. You know, I'll wear blush, but I'm not too big of a fan. I'm not gonna lie, because I don't like to look like Napoleon ice cream, you know? I'm just not that big of a fan. yeah, I mean, it's good, but some people just go low.
Simple, and go in with one of my all-time favorites, the Sleek Solstice Highlighting Palette. This is affordable and everything you want for your highlighter dreams.
I don't have it, so so I think I'm just gonna mix the white sands that I use for my inner highlighter and also the Resting Beach Face. Oh, this actually works pretty nice. Oh my god. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yes, hold on, I need the concealer lips. It's fine because I used to do this in high school, it's fine. My best bet is just to go in with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. Just like, that's just the best we're gonna have to do, it's fine. How'd I know that something like that was gonna happen? I look like the hair down because I think we're done. You know, I could go without the lips, it's fine because it's not that I
Includes my 24 karat gold eyeliner holiday makeup tutorial.
I'm dying inside. You can't do this look with drugstore makeup. It's just not gonna happen for you because then you get lips like this. I really like my eyes, I'm not gonna lie. I think I really nailed that part, but the lips are just not doing it for me, so I'm just gonna... So guys, we did it. We followed Nikkie Tutorials makeup tutorial. I'm not gonna lie, I think I actually did a pretty good job. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. I post every Monday and sometimes Friday. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you get a notification for every time I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!